How to send all Snapchat streaks at once. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can send all the Snapchat streaks at once. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you have to open the Snapchat app and take a pictures as you normally would for your streaks. So you have to tap right here on plus icon, and you will have to tap right here on multi snaps, and after that you can click the pictures as usual, like this one. Now you can make as many shortcuts as you like using a different emoji for each shortcut. So you can use the different emojis and you can click the picture as well. And after that, after creating a shortcut allows you to send all of your streaks at once and making it more efficient to maintain multiple streaks on the Snapchat. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.